This conference will now be recorded.
Hello DBS, welcome to our YouTube channel Oracle Ride. So today is the 12th session of my series Master Oracle Database 19C in minutes. So today I will discuss about Oracle base homes actually. So as we know that both in a read-only Oracle home and read-write Oracle home, the user-specific files, instance-specific files, and log files reside in a location as the Oracle base home actually. And in a read-write Oracle home, the Oracle base home path is the same as the Oracle home directory. But in read-only Oracle home, the Oracle base home directory is not co-located with Oracle home, but it is located at Oracle base homes, then home underscore name. So this home underscore name is the internal name for Oracle home. Suppose the networking directories like network admin and network trace and network log are located in the Oracle base home directory. And in read write or Oracle home, the networking directories appear in the Oracle home because Oracle base home is co-located with Oracle home, whereas in read-only Oracle home, the network directories are located in Oracle base homes and then home underscore name. So to print base home path, we use Aura base home command from the Oracle home bin directory. Okay, so let me share you my putty session. Mm, yeah. So this is my partition. So first we will go to Oracle home and bin location. So cd dollar Oracle home slash bin. Okay, and after that here we will type Aura base home command with executable files. Okay, so this is the command that is dot Aura base home, which actually print about whether your home is read only or read write only. Okay, so when I hit the enter, it will tell this path. So this is actually a read write Oracle home. If suppose this home is not read write, so it will print like this. Just a second. So if your home is read only, so this output will comes, that is Aura DB19 home 1 actually. Okay, so but right now in my this database 19C, my Oracle home is read write actually. So that's why this output is not coming and this is showing. So when you get this output, it means your home is read write. When you get this output, it means your home is read only home. Okay, so this is the today discussion. In the previous session, I discussed about Oracle read home. Now today I have discussed Oracle base home. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my series. And I have requests to my all subscriber and non-subscriber. Please do like, comments, and share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I am uploading a session. And also your comment and your like will motivate me. So thank you, and keep watching my YouTube channel Oracle Ride.